Hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a VGR trimmer. But first of all, let me show you what I got from Sam Pete. I got these mod stuffs from Sam Pete the Hobby Barber. I wanna say thanks to Sam Pete the Hobby Barber, man. I got a lot of stuffs from Sam Pete. See that? I guess these are for Andy's Masters, and this one for other stuffs. So, let me show you what I still got from Sam Pete, man. This one, I got this VGR V276, Also this one, VGR 227. Alright. And the last one, I got this VGR V908. So, stay tuned, man. Alright. So, this is the trimmer. This is VGR V908. This trimmer got 1400 milliamp battery. You can use it cord or cordless. USB charging. And it's a golden one. Okay. Got 3 hours charging time and 180 minutes operating time. So got a charging base, charging stand. So let's open it up, man. This is the charging stand. Got a little bit weight to it. Yeah, and it's also stable. Got a little brush and 3, I guess. Yeah, 3 guide combs. Okay. Charging cable. And we got the manual. So, this is the trim. It looks like it's somehow the same like the one that I unboxed before, but with a little bit changes, So, and it is really stable. Really stable, which is good. The changes with the one is got the same shape, everything. This one got turbo button, zoom. This one got turbo button and a charging stand. That's the only difference that I'm seeing. Got a VGR logo, which is good. And you can zero gap this trimmer. So, what's written here? Okay. Made in People's Republic of China. Okay, so let's turn it on, man. Okay, this one seems like it doesn't have power. Okay, now there is power. Okay, this first one is not like the old one. But this second one, yeah, the power. Okay. And I'm not gonna make a tear down of this trimmer and the clippers, you know, that I got from some Pete because it's not mine. So I'm gonna make an RPM test. So okay, and we toggle. So that's it, guys. And peace, man. All right.